So my name is Philip. I'm with Onyx, and we have a give back program to do today. We're gonna have a little bit of fun. We are gonna have some challenges that are halves of the room, and we're gonna have some challenges that are just table by table. When you complete these challenges, you're gonna earn components and ingredients for bicycles. These bicycles are going to be assembled by you today, and then they're going to be donated to the Boys and Girls Club of Laguna Beach as soon as we conclude our programming today.
Thank you so much for being here. Thank you for taking this time. It's treasure. With what you give, it's phenomenally a treasure, and you're helping make a difference with our youth each and every day.